It would seem that all of you came together tonight by mistake. Maybe you naughty neighbors butted heads so that we could get to the real truth.
The Goody Bandit.
That's right. The bandit's still at large. There's been a lot of finger-pointing tonight, but now all fingers point to the bandit.
Not my finger.
Oh, no. You were just out damaging forest property, cutting down the redwoods we all call home.
But
Big guy like you could probably take whatever you want from little goody-loving creatures, couldn't you?
But someone robbed me. Have we lost track of that?
That's right, someone did. Maybe a snack food competitor. Right, Granny?
Now hold on a pea-picking minute. I may lead a double life full of secrets and deception, but that's no reason to be suspicious.
Huh?
A woman like you could have a lot to gain, stealing all those recipes.
And that's how she makes her goodies so good, huh?
Or she could just be another victim of a hungry wolf.
The wolf did it. Talk about profiling.
Why should we trust someone who wears disguises for a living?
Maybe he's not a wolf at all!
You got me. I'm a poodle. Just haven't been to the barber shop in a long time.
Is this all just a big joke to you?
I just followed the little girl here.
You leave my granddaughter alone.
Yes, now we get to Little Red, the girl with the basket on the run. Where is she, anyway?
Chief, no, I was just...
The recipes are gone!
Are you saying that Little Red is the bandit?
Not my Red.
Calm down there, Triple G. The only thing your granddaughter is guilty of is flying a swarm of hummingbirds without a license. It would seem there is another player in this game. Someone who's hippity-hopped his way through all of your stories. Yes, there's someone else. The only one who was with Red when she fell.
No!
Who knew a shortcut to Granny's.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, in fact, I know a shortcut.
Who fraternizes with evil ski teams.
What's your name?
Just put to my biggest and cutest fan.
And someone who was there when the schnitzel truck was schnitzeled.
What the schnitzel?
Not the...
I knew it. Never trust a...
Chief?
Yeah.
No one's seen the bunny or the girl, and that cable car just left the station.
I think we need an APB out on something small and fuzzy.
Yeah, I think you're right.
To get your boys down to Red's place, we'll need to head off that cable car. And bring in a police sketch artist. No, make it a cartoonist.
All right, we gotta hurry to beat it down the mountain. Bill, get everyone in the car.
Okay.
Tommy, you can bring that evidence with you. Let's go.
All right, you heard the chief.
Not
Let's
in the
move
same
it. Come
car.
on, keep it
Get a
moving.
different car.
Who's got my key?
So, did you get any shots of the...
Why would I take a picture
I told you to take pictures of everything. Oh, we gotta get this to print before it's all over the forest.
Something don't sit right in my bones about this. What's that?
Maybe it's your bones.
I smell schnitzel. What have they done to my schnitzel truck?
Where are they going up?
There's an old cable car station at the top of the mountain. We've got to follow them, boys. Red's up there. I know it.
Twitchy, get down the mountain. You gotta stop those cops. Run them off the road, dangle a donut in front of them, I don't care. Just tell them they're going the wrong way.
Easy peasy, boss. Leave it to me. You'll never catch them in time.
Is that coffee? Well, I can't believe I'm saying this, but drink up. We may want to stand back. Go get him, boy. What have I done?
Now the rest is up to us.
Can I have coffee?